for buying this 21940-40 metal art from Fixture Displays. The size is about 6 by 7 inches and is made from sheet metal powder-coated black. This nice piece of art is small enough to position in a variety of places that can help you provide inspiration to your creativity. If you like this product, remember like us, subscribe, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Within this family of products, there are many other designs. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com and type in 21940 to locate other designs. And if you have inspiration to develop your own art, we're here to help. There's no minimum. We'd be happy to produce those for you. While you're on fixturedisplays.com, I encourage you to browse for many other business and consumer products. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you once again for choosing Fixture Displays.